10 seconds. That's how long it takes a great pit crew to change 4 tires. 10 seconds decide the race. What we're doing at Fleetio isn't that different. Every fleet in North America is racing the clock to keep trucks moving, parts in motion, drivers on the road. And the difference between the fleets that survive and the fleets that win is the crew behind them. We're Fleetio. 8,500 organizations across North America run their fleets with us. Fire and police departments, construction companies, delivery operations, rental fleets, from small towns to worldwide brands. We help them do one thing better than anyone else: keep their fleets ready to roll. Here's how. It starts with maintenance. Everything we do starts here, because readiness is built, not hoped for. And Fleetio is one place that runs it all. In-house, outsourced, or both. Your work orders, parts, inspections, fuel, warranties, all in one view. But what makes it powerful isn't just what it does, it's what it knows. 14 years of service data, over 100,000 shops in our network, millions of repair orders flow through our platform every year, supporting over 1.3 million vehicles every day with their maintenance needs. No one else in this category can say that. No one is even close, and that depth shows up for you every day. Every interaction teaches us something. Every repair order, part purchase, and shop interaction builds a growing knowledge that flows back into the platform to help every user make smarter decisions and catch issues sooner. We aren't just managing maintenance, we're creating maintenance intelligence. When you've got that much maintenance under one roof, intelligence stops being a buzzword. Our customers don't wake up wanting AI. They wake up wanting their trucks ready. So that's how we build it. Intelligence, woven into every piece of work, gives you the receipts you need to save time, cost, and focus where it matters. The system sees what's coming in, flags what looks off, spots what doesn't look right, surfaces what needs attention, and the rest gets handled. Most fleet software tells you what's happening. We help you do something about it. The technology should be invisible. The outcome should be obvious. Here's the thing about a crew. You don't hand somebody a seat because they showed up. They have to earn it. We earn it by fitting into your world. Use your fuel cards. Use your telematics. Use what works for you. We're not here to force a different answer. We earn it by making the change intuitive. Because nobody has time for a 6-month implementation that drags on forever. The first 30, 60, 90 days matter. You're part of the crew from day one. And we earn it by serving, not selling. With 97% support satisfaction, 5-time Stevie Award winners, North America-based support, hundreds of years of fleet maintenance experience feeding our product and support team decisions, with partnerships that allow for choice. Trust isn't a feature, it's the floor. You choose your crew. We work to earn that seat. From the crews who keep the businesses rolling to the ones that keep the lights on. That's who we built this for. Your fleet's new pit crew is ready when you are.